What's up YouTube? Poplar Mechanic here. Today we're in the office and we're going to be addressing some questions I got in my last video. One of them was, how do you tie the Alpine Butterfly with the overhand method? So we're going to go ahead and show you that right now. Alright, so you want to start, I just hold my hand straight or square to the camera. You're going to drape the line over wherever you want to tie the Alpine Butterfly. Reaching for the rope that's furthest away from you, you're going to do one wrap, and then watch what happens here. That makes an X, and you're going to come through and underneath and grab that bite of line and then push it up and through. Okay, we'll do it one more time, but we'll go ahead, dress and set that. And one other thing I wanted to point out, guys, is when you do the knot correctly, you'll have parallel lines here on one side, and then you'll have cross lines here on the other. And I verify that every time, especially when you're doing a canopy anchor. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that one more time. It's quite simple once you get the hang of it, but it is the fastest. It's better than just twisting it up, which works well too, but I just find this easier. So go ahead and drape it over, one full wrap, make that X, reach from underneath, through, and then through that hole. And we'll just dress and set that, and then verify we've got the parallel lines and we've got the cross on the other side. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope that answered your question. Like I said, it's quite simple to do. It's really fast, really nice, and it's used in most canopy anchors. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.